Hey everybody, we're back with our second course of our 2021 virtual Valentine's Day dinner. And Chef has put together a really nice, really fresh baby arugula salad. So I am actually going to turn it over to Chef at this point. He's going to walk us through how to put this one together. Chef.
Ready. Let's start describe all our ingredients. First, to make a beautiful baby arugula salad, we need a nice vinaigrette. It's vanilla vinaigrette. Let's get started for that. So let me tell you all about the ingredients. We have olive oil, white vinegar, some vanilla, Dijon mustard, honey, a little bit salt, and for garnish we have pecans and goat cheese. Let's start it with our vinaigrette. White vinegar, vanilla. The amounts of the ingredients is going to be in the recipe I sent to you. And honey. Basically using like a quarter cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of honey. If we're going to use like a agent to help our emulsion, half tablespoon of Dijon mustard. That's help us to make very nice emulsion. Let's go to mix a little bit well. Now let's go to add slowly, whisking strongly our olive oil until we create nice emulsion.
So whenever we make a vinaigrette, it's very important to very slowly, like one drip at a time, add your oil or your fat. If you try to add it too fast, the actual acid and the vinegar can't take the oil and it will break. And that's when you get that broken, kind of greasy appearing vinaigrette. So what Chef's doing right now is adding that oil very slowly and making sure we're incorporating all that into the vinegar at the same time. Whenever you mix the vinaigrette, you're looking for it to get a really nice sheen on top of it. As you're mixing the vinaigrette, when the oil has reached a point where it's even or about the same amount of oil as you have acid and other ingredients, it will actually take on a really high sheen on top, and that's when you know you've kind of reached your maximum as far as the amount of oil that your vinaigrette can take.
Okay, I think this looks nice.
I know Chef's going to show it to you right now, but again, what we're looking for is the nice sheen that you'll see on top of the vinaigrette, and you'll also see how it's actually starting to thicken. So it's taken on a really nice. Kind of medium viscosity, and you know, for us, and when we plate salads, that's what we're looking for because It's going to stick to your greens.
Okay, now let's start it to plate.